Alright, so last week Apple updated their entire Mac lineup from the iMac to the Mac Mini to the actual MacBook Pro. And the Mac Mini is what stood out to us for obvious reasons. It is the only one that physically looks different this generation. And it's actually the first time the Mini has gotten such an overhaul in quite a number of years. Having said that, if you follow the channel, the monitor behind us usually was connected to the last generation M2 Mac Mini, and this looks night and day over that with the M4. This is the base version we have. I want to go ahead and show you guys a quick look at it, the unboxing experience, and go from there. Let's jump into it. So here it is, much thicker box for the new Mac Mini, but very similar nonetheless. And as you can see here, this is the Apple Mac Mini with M4 chip, 16 gigs unified memory, 256 gig SSD. Now, a couple quick call outs here. This is actually faster solid state drives because it is split in two. You have two 128 gigabyte sticks in here. So unlike the recent qualms about the base versions being slower, write speeds, you should not have any issues with this model at all. Having said that, simple opening procedure again, two somewhat larger tabs on the side, and then we'll just flip it. And right off the bat, here is the new Mac Mini. So you can see just how much smaller it is in general from this look, and it just grew in height a little bit, 5x5 square now for the Mac Mini. And probably one of the most exciting pieces, at least to me here in the way I use our Mac Mini, is that there is two front-facing USB ports here. You have your headphone jack, the little LED indicator light, and then on the back you have your Ethernet port, HDMI, and three Thunderbolt 4 lightning spots here. So keep in mind here on the base configuration, like I said, it is only Thunderbolt 4, not 5. If you upgrade that, you will get the larger storage. You can see Mac Mini is written on the bottom here, and yes, the much talked about power button is on the bottom here now as well. You got some fans obviously that'll run as this machine works, but that is the new Mac Mini in a nutshell. Continuing on in the package, you do have a nice new braided cable here. Let's go ahead and open this up, and I'll give you a quick look. It is almost like a dark black, but it is braided, like I said, and does look very nice. So if you're familiar with Macs in general, you'll know exactly what to do with this. Doesn't come with any accessories, no keyboard, no mouse, no magic trackpad. All those accessories are separate, and then obviously a monitor would be needed as well. I will throw a link up down below if you're interested in picking one of these up. We greatly appreciate using those affiliate links. It helps out the channel immensely. And then one thing you'll see missing from here with the new instruction manual is the lack of Apple stickers. This is something that Apple's been doing all year this year, and that's been removing the stickers, unfortunately. So that's one thing don't be on the lookout for in this new packaging. Other than that, pretty quick and simple unboxing experience for you guys today. Let us know what you think of the new Mac Mini down below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.